No.
I wanna kill my mom. What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill my girl.
What the fuck? Hello? Where did he go? Let's take a shower. Let's take a shower.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
This isn't a fucking game. Get out of my car, you fucking crust. I don't know you. I'm gonna lock you in here. Get the fuck out. Ah! Oh my god. Guys are coming for me.
Hey Carter, we're not gonna run around like animals, okay?
Cora! Are you fucking serious?
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina. No es cierto, baby girl. I know it's not you.
Bagel.
They've always been here.
Bagel.
Honey, this is the stuff.
Bagel.
Hello, ladies.
Bagel.
Honey, this is way too long. And looks like
Bagel.
I know, Lily. But that's your daughter, your granddaughter, so you got kids just like you.
Hey, buddy. Are you gonna take the whole thing, buddy? Restraint. Oh, you're gonna get brain freeze, my man. Wow. He's totally gonna get brain freeze.
Uh-oh, it's Zoomy time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Are you done? Ow! What the fuck?
Hold up.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
You ever just look at your cat and just meh, meh. You just have such a squishable, grabbable head. Love you. Turbo. Put it. Simba, come here. Oh. Oh no. Does it feel good, Mazzy?
Harper, you're at it again, aren't you? You got something in your mouth again, don't you? Why? It's been a while. It's been a while. And you really... What is it? Yep. See, now... Oh! Gee, where'd that come from? Chief? Uh-huh. Harper.
You got a problem, bro?
Get in there. Get in there. Get in the tub. Get in there. Hell. Bad ass.